Hello students, welcome back to grammar class. Today we will be continuing with the topic future tense. Okay, let's see future perfect. Future perfect is used for an action that will be over at a given point of time. See the example, I will have completed the work by evening. Something which will be over in the future, we use future perfect tense. Now let us see the verb form. The verb form of future perfect tense is will or shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Okay, will or shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb. I hope you all remember what is past participle form of the verb, is it? Verb can be used in present tense, past tense and past participle. Okay. See the example, the grass will have grown by the end of the month. The grass will have grown by the end of the month. Here you see will plus have plus past participle form of the verb is used. Grow, grew, grown, past participle form. See, I have written in the bracket grow, grew, grown. Okay, this category, third category of verbs, this is present tense, this is past tense and past participle form. Okay, this is past participle form of the verb. So, will or shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb is used here. Now, let us see the other example. They will have completed the work by evening. See, will plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Complete, completed, completed. Past form and past participle forms are same for the verb complete, complete, completed, completed. Now, they will have played the match by next week. Will plus have plus past participle form of the verb play. Play present tense, played past tense, then participle form is what? Played itself. Okay, these are the construction, these are the form of verbs in future perfect tense. Okay. Now, negatives in future perfect. How you can make a sentence negative? By adding not. Where you have to add not? After will. Okay, after will you should add not. Will or shall plus not plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Okay, when you see the example you will be clear. Okay, don't feel so tense when you see this much big formula. Okay, when you come to the example it will be very easy. Just see, they will not have played the match. Just add not after will. See, she will not have studied the lessons. So, merely by adding not after will, you can make negatives in future perfect tense. Okay, just add not after will. Then the rest will be followed as usual. Will have plus past participle form of the verb is used. That is already there in the sentence. You can just add one not after will. So, you will get what? Negatives in future perfect tense. Okay. Now, let us move to the next one, interrogatives in future perfect. How you can make a question? See, will or shall is used before the subject. Just before the subject you use will or shall, we will be getting a sentence, interrogative sentence in future perfect. See the example, will they play, will they have completed the work? Will they have completed the work? Will he have completed the novel? So, you can see will is used in the beginning of the sentence, then followed by subject plus have, then past participle form of the verb is used. Okay, just put will or shall can be also used in the beginning of the sentence to make interrogatives in future perfect tense. Okay children, now let us move to future perfect continuous tense. It is used to refer a continuous action used with reference to something in future. Okay, if you want to refer something in future, then you can use future perfect continuous. Sometimes in future, some sort of actions that you refer, then future perfect continuous is used. When you come to the example, you will be clear. They will have been enjoying the trip next month. So, something which is going to happen, we refer that and say in the future, that is future perfect continuous. They will have been enjoying the trip. So, let us see what is the verb form of future perfect continuous. Will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. You see the example, will or shall. So, I have used will plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. We will have been writing the exam by next week. So, will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb, write, writing. Okay, this is the structure of future perfect continuous. Now, negatives. In your textbook it is not there, but just for your information I am giving you this topic. Negatives in future perfect continuous tense. You have to just add not after will. So, you will get a negative in future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Okay, future perfect continuous. See, they will have been working in the factory. Just add not after the word will. They will not have been working in the factory. This is how you can make negatives in future perfect continuous tense. Okay, just add not. Then, interrogatives. How to make question? By using this will in the beginning as a question word. Then you have to follow the rest. See, will they have been painting the picture? Will they have been painting the picture? This is interrogative formation in present, not future, perfect continuous tense. Okay, I hope you understood. Interrogatives and negatives, it's not there in the textbook, but still you can just know how to make it. Once again I repeat, negatives can be used by adding not. After will, just add not. Then interrogatives can be used in the beginning by adding the question word will. Now children, let us try this exercise. Future perfect. How to make future perfect in negatives as well as interrogatives. So please try this by yourself. I will be writing the answers. First you have to try yourself. Okay, so first one, they will have drawn the picture. Make it negative by adding not after will. So what will be the answer? They will not have drawn the picture. That's it. I hope everybody made it correct. They will not have drawn the picture. Then how you can make interrogatives in future perfect? By adding the question word in the beginning, is it? So, will they have drawn the picture? Will they have drawn the picture? Put a question mark. Hope everybody make it correct. Then she will have taken the book. Make it to negative by adding not after will. So she will not have taken the book. She will not have taken the book. She will not have taken the book. Then how you can make it interrogative? By adding the question word will in the beginning. Is it? Will she have taken the book? Okay, this is interrogative. Then the next one, future perfect continuous tense. How you can make it negative? The kids will have been drawing the picture. Make it negative. The kids will not have been drawing the picture. Then for interrogative, you can use the same question word will. Will the kids have been drawing the picture? Have been drawing the picture? Drawing the picture, question mark. Then come to the next one. You will have been eating fruits for 3 months. Make it negative by adding not, is it? So what will be the answer? You will not have been eating fruits for 3 months. For 3 months. And how we can make it interrogative? By adding the question word in the beginning. Will you have been eating fruits for 3 months? For 3 months. Okay. Hope everybody got the answer. Now children, let's revise what we have studied in this video. In this video we studied future perfect as well as future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect is used for action that will be over at a given point of time. I will have completed the work by evening. Verb form. Verb form is will or shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb. The grass will have grown by the end. Always remember, past participle form of the verb is used in all perfect tenses. Future perfect, present perfect, past perfect, all perfect tenses you have to use past participle form of the verb. Then example, we have already discussed. The negatives by adding not. They will not have played the match. See the example, she will not have studied the lessons. Just put one example in your mind, you will be able to do it. If this one you cannot follow, you just learn one example. Okay, will or shall plus, not plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Then interrogatives use the question word will in the beginning followed by subject plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Will they have completed the work? Will they have completed the novel? Will he have completed the novel? These are the examples. Then future perfect continuous is used with reference to something that is going to happen in the future. Example, they will have been enjoying the trip next month. Then verb form in future perfect continuous, will, shall, will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. We will have been writing the exam by next week. This is future perfect continuous tense. Now negatives by adding not. They will not have been working in the factory. For interrogatives, you can begin the sentence by the verb will. Will they have been painting the picture? Just put will in the beginning. You will get interrogatives in future perfect continuous tense. Then we studied some of the examples, how to change future perfect to negatives as well as interrogatives. Then we also studied future perfect continuous, how to make it negative as well as interrogatives. So children, the tenses topic, it is very important. Please study this, and all the grammar exercises in the textbook, grammar chest, will be discussed in the Google Meet. So, hope you all understood the topic. Thank you.